Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start on the Apple Watch itself, so make sure the watch is unlocked, updated, and has enough battery to avoid interruptions. Once ready, press the digital crown, tap Settings, then Screen Time. Now tap Downtime to view the active schedule. You're doing this on device because Screen Time on the watch controls its own downtime. Make the first change by toggling downtime off. This immediately lifts time limits while you complete the rest of the process. Once downtime is toggled off, dig deeper into the settings so it won't come back. Tap Scheduled and remove any start/end times or set all days to off. That prevents automatic reactivation. Then check app limits and always allowed, remove or adjust entries that still block apps. If your watch mirrors an iPhone, also check screen times share across devices. Disabling that stops iPhone schedules from reapplying to the watch. Finish by confirming your changes. Restart the watch so settings refresh, and then open the apps that were previously blocked to verify access. If downtime reappears, check the paired iPhone screen time and family sharing settings because parental controls can reapply schedules. Make sure share across devices is off and that you're signed into the same Apple ID. If problems continue, sign out and back into your Apple ID on both devices or contact Apple support. Those steps remove sync or account-level restrictions that can persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.